Today I have a yogurt cup. It's a perfect purchase for making some yogurt. Also you can put some fruit, vegetables, to do some granola, some other stuff. It comes with the cup. Also it has a spoon which are easy to fold it. You can easily put it together and enjoy your favorite yogurt or something else. It's a perfect purchase to take with you to some lunch or for work. You can also use it with your kids. It's made with a high quality material. It's easy to wash. I think it will be a useful purchase in every house, and I highly recommend this. You will like it.